Today we're going to do flutter kicks and it's going to be so much fun. Follow me. Come on. So today's move is flutter kicks. We're going to be laying on our back and targeting those abs and thighs. My favorite. Let's move on to the ground. So lay nice and flat. Put your weight in your shoulders now. Make your hand into a triangle, and just like before, we're going to put your hand underneath your butt. Now, if you want to make this more hard, you can bring up your arms, bring up your chest just like that, or you can lay flat, whatever feels good to you. And you're going to bring up one leg and then the other, and it's just little tiny motion here. Each time you switch your leg counts as one. Really just breathe. Point those toes. Whew. You should already feel the burn. Keep your neck nice and long and elegant here. Look up at the sky if you're outside. Otherwise, just look at your ugly ceiling. I really think they should put more pretty things on ceilings to keep your eyes engaged. Good job. I think it would make doing a lot of workouts a lot easier inside because then you had something pretty to look at. Maybe put a motivational quote up there or something. Last one, and done. Whew, good job, guys. So like I said, that one was super quick and easy. You're definitely going to feel the burn. And thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye!